living room, a very beautiful living room. So this is very spacious kitchen of yours. So we have entered to your bedroom number 3. Are you also looking for a project which has lifetime hill view, so you're surrounded in greenery in this hush push of the city, and also a largest freehold land of Mumbai? So I have got you at the right place. Welcome to Serenity by Atul Projects, located in Mulund West. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the developers. So buy your dream home directly with the builders, only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 9.6 acres with 4 towers, 2 levels of basement, ground, plus 5 levels of podium. 6 level is going to be your eco deck level, and 7 to 47 is going to be your residential floors, with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this very wonderful project has 100 plus amenities, which includes a 5 acres of central park. It also has multi-purpose court, gym, swimming pool, and many more. So guys, as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road leads you to the main road. Talking about the exact connectivity, so this project is located in Mulund Colony, Mulund West, with Mulund station at a distance of just 3 kilometers, upcoming metro station at a distance of just 1.5 kilometers, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 10 minutes, and GMLR at a distance of just 400 meters. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey की Rights of Home Buyer series ज़रूर देखें. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their actual rights. For example, आपने कोई टोकन अमाउंट दे के कोई घर बुक कर लिया है, बट अब आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं, तो लीगली बिल्डर कितने पैसे डिडक्ट कर सकता है, आपका ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सेकेंडली, पोजेशन के बाद लीकेज या कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड कोई भी इशू आता है, सो हाउ मच लाइबिलिटीज डज द बिल्डर होल्ड? A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their basic rights and they just invest their money. So we have made you understand everything in very easy to understand and basic language in this series. So before buying a home, go through this series for your betterment. इस series का link आपको नीचे description box और ऊपर I button में मिल जाएगा. So now let me give you this 3 BHK very beautiful flat within carpet area of 1000 square feet. As we enter, this is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. And then to my left comes your kitchen. So this is very spacious kitchen of yours, guys, where you get 2 sides of parallel platform. This kitchen is as equal to as a room in a lot of flats. I'm just walking around and showing you such a huge kitchen. Right here is going to be your washing machine space. And then in the front, there's window for ventilation. And then this is your double door refrigerator space. So this is going to be a double door refrigerator space. So again, enough storage area in this kitchen. As you can see, there's a lot of cabinet space on the wall, down. Now let's move ahead. As we move ahead, right in front of the kitchen is your dining space. So a spacious dining space where a 6-seater of dining space can easily accommodate. I'm just moving around the dining space and showing you that there's so much of walkable space to move around. And then comes your living room, a very beautiful living room. So after placing an entire sofa, your table, this is your living room. There's so much of open walkable space. So this is a well furnished house. So usually after keeping the furnitures, the walkable space reduces, but I'm easily walking and moving and showing you around that there's so much of space in this living room, not congested at all. Again, you get half French window attached for nice sunlight and nice ventilation in your room. Now let's move ahead. Let's go. As we move ahead, right over here comes your kids' bedroom. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1, which is again a master bedroom and your kids' bedroom. So this is your bed, a single bed. You can easily place a double bed also over here. As you can see, there's enough walkable space in this room. They have just placed a single bed. Right over here is going to be your study area for the kids where they can do their homework. Besides that is the cupboard, the wardrobe space for your kids. And then right in front, this entire wall is dedicated for your window. I'll just show you. So you get French window attached for nice ventilation and sunlight in your kids' room as well. And then comes your attached washroom. So again, a spacious attached washroom which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Not congested at all. Now let's move ahead. So as we move ahead, come out of your kids' room, first comes your common washroom. So this is your common washroom for guests. As you saw, there was washroom right in your kids' room as well. This is for the guest. So as you saw, there was washroom in your kids' room as well. And then this is a small compact washroom for your guest. So your privacy is not disturbed. And now in bedroom number 2 we move. And the best part about this house is that you get washroom in every room. Plus an extra washroom for your guest. So now we've come to bedroom number 2. This is your bedroom number 2. A queen size bed is placed over here. And still there's enough walkable space. I'm freely moving around. All 3 sides equal spaces. This side of the wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. And then right over there again you get French window for nice ventilation and sunlight, a full length window. Then comes over here your attached washroom. As I mentioned, every room in this house has attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now we will go and check out the last room of this house, but before that let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go check out the last room of the house, the master bedroom, the room which is the spacious one among all the 3 bedrooms. So we have entered to your bedroom number 3. Just look at the space in this room, guys. Just show them the space in this room. We have so much of walkable space in this room. A king size bed can easily be placed over here and still you can move around freely in this room. Right over here, this entire side of the wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So no issue of storage at all. And likewise in the other room, the front, this entire wall is dedicated for your window. So French window for nice sunlight and ventilation. And as I mentioned, this room as well has washroom. So a spacious washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So a perfect layout for a 3 BHK, very well-planned homes with washroom in every room, which is the best part of this house. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Serenity by Atul Projects located in Mulund. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.